Okay, let's go over how to use distinct in Java with Java streams. So the main purpose of it, as you might see, is just to take a collection, in this case an array, and remove all duplicated items. So here, let's just go ahead, do the for each function, implement it. Here, what we'll do is we'll have a new distinct list. So here, we will take list string, and then this will be our distinct list. Okay. And then what we want to do is loop through each item in that list. And then here, we want to first check if the item, or here, does the distinct list contain the item? And if it doesn't, then we want to add it to the list. That contains, but dot add item. And then we'll return this new distinct list. Then here, we can do it very simply with just doing a list.stream. And then we want to just make it distinct, make all items distinct, and then just do a collect into a list on it. Simple as that. And we'll want to return this. All right, so let's go ahead first, just run it on this for each function. There we go. We see it removed. There was a duplicate John in here. And then let's go ahead and do the same with the stream function. And we should expect the same 5. And there we go. Simple as that.